Welcome to my repair kit. I'm Eric Jacobson. In this video, we'll be talking about how to create French polishing cloths. This bag contained 1 pound of trace cloth. Trace cloth is a lint-free, tightly woven, 100% cotton material. There are multiple ways to make a French polishing cloth, but the most popular method is called the ball method, and it requires 2 different pieces of material, an inner rag and an outer rag. The inner rag should be folded as many times as possible to create the most firm pad. Place the inner rag in the center of the outer rag and pull up all the edges and corners nice and taut. There really is no exact way to fold your rags. Just make sure that the inner rag is firm and the outer rag is nice and tight around the inner rag. Give a slight twist to remove any wrinkles or creases. This application is what I refer to as circular. The finish that I'm using is called lacquer, made by Mohawk Finishes. You should be opening your rag and shifting it around to a new surface area to continue French polishing, and often applying more finish to your rag. This application pattern I refer to as east to west. This is the actual speed of my hand going left to right. Now I'll speed up the video so we can get to the next rag we'll be creating. You can see from that small amount of French polishing, we've built up quite a substantial finish. I'll tell you 3 things. I don't use the ball method to create my French polishing cloth. I don't use the circular method very often to apply finish. And I don't even use trace cloth for my French polishing rag. Some of you may know what this rag is. Some of you may not, but it's the only rag that I've used for French polishing in my nearly 30 years. These are actually recycled diapers. Yes, people still use cloth diapers in 2024. We buy them in bulk from diaper suppliers once they have been deemed too worn to go back to a customer. Notice how I fold the rag in half on the seam and then roll the corners in nice and tight to create a flat, firm surface to apply the finish. I'll show you that a couple more times and then we'll French polish. Making moments here to stay. With each touch our hearts align. So this is pretty much the method that I use to French polish any piece of furniture. You can check out more in-depth videos on French polishing furniture on my YouTube page, My Repair Kit, LLC. Be sure to keep maneuvering your rag to new areas and applying more finish to continue French polishing. We can make this same padding rag out of a piece of trace cloth using just 1 cloth by continuously folding it down into a small square and then folding all the corners in to make a nice taut padding rag. We'll fold this trace cloth a couple more times just to show you that you can fold it any which way you would like, and still the end result will be a suitable French polishing cloth. All these supplies are available at myrepairkit.com. Thank you for watching.